Welcome to Abudoni Health Channel, the quality health tips you can trust.
Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel where we explore natural remedies for various health issues. Today, we're going to talk about the many health benefits of tamarind. Tamarind is a tropical fruit that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent addition to your diet. Here are 10 health benefits of tamarind. Tamarind is rich in antioxidants, which can help to protect your body against free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Tamarind is a natural laxative and can help to relieve constipation. It can help to improve digestion and reduce the risk of digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Tamarind can help to boost the immune system and prevent infections. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Tamarind is rich in potassium, which can help to regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. It can help to reduce the risk of diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. Tamarind is a natural diuretic and can help to flush out excess fluids from the body. It can help to improve skin health and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Tamarind is a versatile fruit that can be used in many different ways. You can eat it raw, add it to your favorite recipes, or take it as a supplement. Here are a few ways to incorporate tamarind into your diet. Make tamarind juice by soaking tamarind in water and blending it with honey or sugar. Use tamarind paste as a marinade for meats or vegetables. Add tamarind to soups, stews, and curries for a tangy flavor. Use tamarind in your favorite salad dressings or dipping sauces. Make tamarind candy by boiling tamarind pulp with sugar and forming it into bite-sized pieces. In conclusion, tamarind is a delicious and nutritious fruit that offers many health benefits. Whether you eat it raw or use it in your favorite recipes, adding tamarind to your diet is an easy way to improve your health and well-being. So give it a try today and see the difference it can make in your life. It is important to note that the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We recommend that you consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have a medical condition or are taking any medications. Individual results may vary and are not guaranteed. The creators and publishers of this video are not responsible for any adverse reactions, allergies, illness or injury that may occur as a result of the use or misuse of the information provided. It is solely the responsibility of the viewer to use this information responsibly and to seek medical advice when necessary.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos.